everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Happy New Year to all of you. This is my first video in 2020. I thought of doing a video that I've never done before on my channel. So I thought why not to do an at-home facial video, which I genuinely love doing it on myself, but I have never ever done it on my channel. This is more of a skincare video and you must be thinking, why do I look like a ball? Not exactly a ball, a pan of oil. Yes, because I am too dry and this is what I do when I do my facial at home. It's very easy and I am going to demonstrate to you what exactly do I do. I am not one of those who go to a salon. I know I have a salon, but I barely get time to go to my salon and experience that wonderful spa on myself. I genuinely don't get too much of time, but whenever I see that I have a lot of texture on my skin and I needed some great care, this is something that I do at home and it is super quick, super easy. You don't need to devote too much of time. All that you need is a few products and yes, a steamer. If you really want to know what exactly do I do to make my skin look baby soft and to get rid of all the texture that I have on my skin, keep on watching. Now it's time for me to deeply clean my skin. For this, I always start by taking steam. Steam is something that is so good for your skin. It opens your pores and it can do wonders. So I start by taking steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I love this mask from Fresh. This is the Umbrian Clay Purifying Mask. This is one of the masks which is so good for skin. This mask is actually meant for normal to oily skin. My skin is dry, but I am really using this mask because I want this mask to clean my skin to the deepest layer. It is a good deep cleanser and it also helps to minimize small imperfections on my skin. I have also noticed that it reduces the appearance of pores on my skin without drying out my skin, which is the best part about this mask. I use this mask for about 5 minutes. I apply a generous amount all over my face and I let it dry. Once it dries, then I'm going to clean it with this eraser. This is the makeup eraser and I love this because it is so soft on the skin. So I take off all my mask with this. Once I'm done with this, my next step is always to apply peel. I am a huge fan of Ole Henriksen lemon peel, but this time I am trying this one, which is from Juice Beauty. This is the green apple peel and it's a full strength exfoliating mask. The best part about this mask is that it is a potent alpha and beta hydroxy acid mask and it delivers good exfoliation. It says it helps in the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, which is now important. I apply it on my skin and I leave it for 10 minutes. Tingling sensation is normal in the mask and my skin has gone red after it, which is absolutely normal. Once I'm done with this, I also like to use the physical exfoliator on my skin, for which I love La Mer. I actually make a choice between La Mer and peel, but this time I'm doing both because my skin is really bad. I can see a lot of texture on my skin and I really want to get rid of that texture. So I'm using this oil exfoliator from La Mer, which is not too harsh on skin, but yes, it does give good results. I am just going to exfoliate my skin with this physical exfoliator for about a minute. That's enough. And then I'm going to clean my skin. Once I'm done with this, then it's time for me to take out that thing from my face, which is blackheads and whiteheads. And after taking them out, my skin feels so soft. Now it's time for me to hydrate my skin. For this, I am using this Dior Hydra Life Extra Plump Smooth Balm Mask. This mask is concentrated in natural pine oil and it's a plumping mask which is good for my skin. It actually nourishes the skin. It is creamy but still it's very lightweight. That is why I love this mask. I'm going to apply a generous layer all over my face. I leave it for about 3 minutes. And then I am going to take off the excess with this dry tissue. Now an extra layer of moisture that I love adding to my skin. I am a huge fan of facial oils. Today I'm using this one from L'Occitane. This is the Divine oil and this smells like divine. I'm going to apply almost 8 to 10 drops of this oil all over my face and I'm going to bathe into this. Once I apply it, I don't forget to take care of my lips. And I'm going to try this lip mask for the first time today. This is the Kissu Lip mask from Tatcha. Tatcha products are great and I'm sure this one is also going to do wonders on my skin. Once I apply it, now I'll go off to sleep. And the next morning I will wake up with a baby soft skin. So all of you can also do it at home and take care of your skin. So that's it, and I have demonstrated every single detail, everything that I do to take care of my skin at home. It's like a mini spa facial that I do at home and it gets rid of all the texture that I have on my skin and my skin feels just like new again. Yes. In case you like the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time my video goes up. I love you all, stay blessed and keep on watching.